Savannah and welcome back to my channel. Ever since I was little, I always remember seeing those packages of the banana milk that come in those chunky, short, stocky, chubby looking bottles with the really skinny straw that comes with it. I've been seeing like quite a couple of videos popping up about it, and then I decided, what the heck, like I should try it out for myself. And the whole reason why it became popularized back in the 1970s was because the Korean government wanted to address the problem of malnutrition and they wanted their citizens to drink more milk. But at that time, normal white milk just didn't really suit the taste buds of the Koreans. So a dairy company called Bingray came up with the idea for banana milk. And if that sounds familiar, it's because that's the same company that came up with Melona, the famous melon popsicle ice creams. It consists of 80% milk, and in Korea that's a bit rare to have such a high percentage of natural milk in a flavored milk drink. And now there's about 1 million bottles that are sold every single day. And recently, even tour guides would recommend tourists to try it before they leave. And if banana milk doesn't suit your taste or it doesn't sound the most tasty, there's other flavors that have been gaining a lot of popularity, especially in nicer cafes such as strawberry milk and peach milk. And today, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be making 3 types of Korean-inspired flavored milks. Let's get started. So the very first step is to wash your fruits, and we are going to be making peach milk, strawberry milk, and banana milk. After we've washed our fruits, we're going to start preparing the strawberries. The first thing we're going to do is core our strawberries. I like doing it this way because I feel like it wastes less of the strawberry meat. Also, if your strawberries have a boo-boo, just cut it off. Add all the strawberries into the bowl. And now I'm gonna use a wooden hammer to mash it. Honestly, I'm not sure why I have a wooden hammer, but you know, it works well. It does the job. A little splashed on me, but it's okay. Just beware of the juices that the strawberries are secreting. Once it gets to this consistency, we are ready to cook it. All you need to do is add it to a sauce pot and turn the heat to a medium high. And now we wait for it to boil. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Once it starts boiling like this, let it go for about another 20 minutes and then we need to take it off the heat. Now we transfer it back into that ceramic that we mixed the strawberries earlier on. And now comes the hard part where we need to wait for this to cool completely. And a way to speed up the process, we can just put it in the freezer. In the meantime, we can peel our peach. I'm using a white peach here because white peaches tend to be sweeter and they're less tart than the yellow peaches. Oh my god, it's so slimy. Once your peach is naked, you can cut off the meat. And as for the core, you can just snack on them. Delicious. Now back to the peaches. What we're gonna do now is just cut them up into little rectangles or squares. I just cleaned the sauce pot, put it on medium heat, and I'm gonna add about 5/6 of the amount of the peach that I cut up because we're gonna use the rest for toppings. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of sugar and mix. When it starts to boil like so, we can start mashing it. I'm gonna just use the hammer again. Alright, that looks about good. We're gonna need to cool it off, put it in a little container, and into the freezer it goes. Now to prepare the OG, we're gonna need 1 banana. Haha! And we're just gonna chop it up and leave about 2 inches or so left of the banana for toppings. Take your masher of choice. I'm gonna be using a fork. And we're just gonna mash our bananas. Add in a tablespoon of sugar. jams have cooled and we're ready to concoct it together. Starting with the strawberry. And there we have it. We have our little milk glasses. The peach one is right there. And we're gonna give it a taste test. We're gonna start with the OG, the banana milk, with a little mix. Right, let's give it a try. Ooh. I'm gonna try all three before I give you guys my final conclusion. So I'm gonna try the strawberry. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it turned the milk pink. Cheers, you guys. Oh, that's really good. Apparently, in Korea, a glass of strawberry milk at a cafe costs about $7 to $8 equivalent. And it is so good. Moving on to the peach. Mix. I love peaches. Okay, so all three were super pleasantly delightful, and the chunks that you add into the milk, it gives the whole experience a better texture. I guess it kind of feels like you're eating something healthy because it's fruits, like you're chewing on the fruits and you're like, wow, that's whole fruit. Even though this is pretty healthy because it is milk, fruit, and sugar. But guys, it's good. It's good. My favorite would definitely be the strawberry. Banana milk, really solid, so that comes in second place. And just because this comes in last place, this is still fantabulous. Like, I'm gonna make a couple more and I'm gonna let our taste testers try. And the stage is set.
This is an actual milk though, right?
It is milk.
I haven't had milk in so long. I'm supposed to eat the chunks?
Yeah, man. Eat the chunks.
That is really good.
Which one was your favorite?
I kind of like the peach one the most.
Really?
Yeah.
So I have brought my dad. He's trying the strawberry milk first. Which one do you like the best?
Peach one. It's more flavorful and sweeter. Yeah, I think
what about
so.
second?
I guess it's the strawberry.
And then banana.
Banana is the least.
Okay.
But they're all good. They all taste good.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
My third taste tester has arrived. That was my mom. All right.
我要你试试看，到时候你给我讲你最喜欢的是什么。
I'm gonna try the peach first.
Only peach?
Only peach.
No sugar?
Oh, no sugar.
I think this peach is the sweetest, and both banana and strawberry are about the same. The sweetness is about the same. 那最喜欢的应该是草莓，因为它有那个香味，
Okay.
然后没有那么甜。
I agree. I personally like the strawberry.
See.
Thank you for being
Yes,
here.
She's good. Go support her.
You heard it there, folks. Go subscribe. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. As you guys just saw, my dad and my brother really like the peach, whereas my mom and I really like the strawberry. It just levels up the taste of milk so much more. And I also tried it with almond milk. Amazing. Soy milk too. Actually, soy milk over almond milk for sure. I highly recommend you guys go try it yourself. Like, comment, subscribe. for more. And if you do try it, you can DM me on my Instagram, comment below, and just let me know. Cause y'all, this is pretty fire. And until next time, peace out, Girl Scouts. Boy Scouts too. Yeah, Boy Scouts too.